Hello and welcome to Easy Learn English Language. Today we are going to learn some of the most useful questions in English. They are called WH questions. WH questions help us ask for information and have better conversations. Let's learn them together. First, WHO, we use who when we want to ask about a person. For example, who is your teacher? My teacher is Mr. John. Here is another example. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Alex. Now let's move to the next question. What? We use what when we want to ask about a thing, an idea, or information. For example, what is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Another example, what do you do every morning? I have breakfast and study English. Now let's learn where. We use where when we ask about a place. For example, where do you live? I live in New York. Another example, where is the library? The library is near the school. Remember, where is for places. Next is when. We use when to ask about time. For example, when do you wake up? I wake up at 7 o'clock. Another example, when do you study English? I study English in the evening. Now let's learn WHY. We use why when we want to know the reason for something. For example, why are you studying English? Because I want a better future. Another example, why are you happy? Because I passed my exam. Remember, when someone asks why, you can often answer with because. Finally, we have how. We use how to ask about the way something happens or how something is done. For example, how do you go to school? I go to school by bus. Another example, how are you? I'm very good, thank you. Let's review. Who asks about a person? What asks about a thing or information? Where asks about a place? When asks about time? Why asks about a reason? How asks about the way something happens? Now let's practice together. Who is your teacher? What is your favorite food? Where do you live? When do you wake up? Why are you studying English? How do you go to school? Try to answer these questions out loud. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Thank you for learning with Easy Learn English Language. Keep learning, keep practicing, and speak English every day. See you in the next lesson.